Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you can't open your glove box on your Honda Pilot. Alright guys, there's a couple of ways of doing this. The first way is to separate the outer portion of the glove box from the inner portion. And the way you do that, you get a little flathead screwdriver and put it just at the edge on top here and pry this open. It's going to snap open. Okay, I already did this. So once you do that, you're able to separate the inside from the outside, and this is your latch right there. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver, and what you want to do is push down on that latch. Let me see if I can show you what I'm doing here. So that's the latch. You're going to push down on it. And that's it. The other way to do this is to pop this little plastic piece off. Okay. Alright. Now get yourself like a tiny screwdriver, or I'm going to use this little pick. And what you're going to do is, this is a little kind of tricky to do, so like put it against this thing, and then at an angle going like up, you gotta find like the sweet spot. Now you need to take these two screws off. You use a little Phillips screwdriver to do that. Alright, now this latch comes off. Alright, this is the part number right here, and this is what the part looks like. And this little plastic piece, see when you press this down, that's what broke on the old piece, okay? So the only thing you need to do is switch the locks. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, you need to remove this plastic piece from the new part, and what you want to do is carefully pry these things up and just push back. Okay, same thing over here. Okay, and then you have one more down here. Okay, now you have this C-clip right here. Okay, and the C-clip just comes right out. Okay, now you want to do the same thing with this. Take the C-clip off, and now this slides right out. And take your new part, put it in the same way. Okay, slides right in. Now take your C-clip and put it in. Okay, let's see. Oops. Always put it in one side first, and then there you go. Now pop the plastic back in place. Okay, and you're ready to throw this on the car, okay? Put in your screws. Alright guys, check it out. It's perfect. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.